In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Touchpad is not working on your Windows. So let's get started. First is you just need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Click on it under the best match. Now here in this Device Manager window, we just need to simply look for this one, mice and other pointing devices. And here you can find the HID compliant mouse. Make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, close this. If not working, you can go back to the same device manager window, locate your mice and other pointing devices, right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and simply choose one by one as to what will work for you and click on next, and Windows will successfully update your drivers. And after that, just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your window. And for the final method, go back to the same device manager window. And here you can find the human interface devices. And here you can find your touchpad, okay? Make a right click, select uninstall device, and click on uninstall. Now once you have uninstalled it, close the windows and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after restarting, your Windows will reinstall the driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows. And by that, using the three methods, I hope your issue will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.